What's up, my crypto legends? It is happening. You can register to the World Series of Trading, the largest crypto trading competition right now. You can join my team. We are already 20 people there, guys. The early birds get $50 worth of BTC till the 27th of July if you register into my team. I will be leaving the link down below so you can join directly on Bybit, guys. We are going to talk about what are the possibilities on Bitcoin here in the next coming hours and days, and make sure to register, guys. The competition is live right now, and we are going to go all together for the prize pool of 8 million US dollar tether. Now stay tuned, of course, to what we are to talk about here for Bitcoin and also the DXY and what are the possibilities, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Let's dive in, guys. I am super excited to say that the registration is open to join my squad. Trading Legends, guys. We're already over 20 people here. We're going to get a piece of this prize pool. We're going to be in the top 10. Last year, we were ranked top 20 out of 460 teams, guys. We were up and down a few ranks from this 20 overall squat ranking. Okay, very hyped up. I'm going to be focusing for those setups with the Legends trading communities, of course, doing live streams on YouTube as well, guys. Make sure to join the link down below in the description. It is the top one, okay, to join that competition right away, guys. So let's focus on what has happened on Bitcoin before we focus on what is happening right now, okay, in the next coming hours to see those major levels, those potential opportunities, and focusing on the DXY. If we zoom in on the lower time frames, such as the 15-minute time frame, guys, we did break the value area low of the trading range, and we now, right now, just the last couple of hours, had a major significant drop. Does this mean that we're going to go much lower with this large amount of volume? Well, this is what we're going to analyze right away. But first of all, what happened yesterday with this choppy action? What happened yesterday with this choppy action is basically we did have a Gartley pattern right over here, as you can see on the chart. That was the only trading opportunity that we talked about in the Legends trading community on my channel. Of course, Sam is giving daily updates as well in different scenarios. I am currently traveling in the UK, and we only talked about one trade setup on the Legends trading community, which is basically this Gartley pattern getting rejected from the point of control of the entire range. And of course, that actually played, as you can see on the chart, guys. Make sure to join the Legends trading community. We are posting here every single day the possible setups, having a plan, getting those plans happening, as you can see here, profitable. It's going to be absolutely crazy for the Legends trading community. I am, really hyped up for the World Series of Trading. We're going to absolutely crush it, guys. This is only the registration, okay? 13 days left for registration. Competition starts, all right, in 13 days. Make sure to join, guys, if you want to join the Legends trading community for those daily setups for the competition. Then you want to join the Legends community, okay? Obviously, I will be doing live streams as well on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to feel hyped up, because we'll be doing some live trading as well on YouTube on the live streams. Now, what has happened apart from yesterday, this beautiful call from this Gartley pattern, talking about this on yesterday's video update. The only trading setup that I do see available was this one. Right now, not only coming to the take profit 1, but actually hitting the take profit 3, which is the X point, the A point from the Gartley pattern right over here. And then obviously, you should be closing most of your position right now from this Gartley pattern. Why? Because there is a possibility of a recovery, and this is what we're going to talk about right away, guys. We zoom out here on the price of Bitcoin. What is going on? We're just slightly front running a little bit this naked point of control from that 28,800 range from the 21st of June. Right there, we had a high volume node. If we do take a look at the session volume profile. Session volume profile here, as you can see, has a high volume node at this area, okay? So this is an important level. Not only that, but we are hitting the 382, 50% Fibonacci, already getting a significant bounce. I want to check with the Legends community if we do get a consolidation, if we do get a reaction at this zone. We got the 382 from the pivot low here of the start of the major pump, and from this consolidation and this pivot low to the pivot high, it is 50%. So right now, no big major rush. I'm talking about this in the Legends trading community. I want to relax, stay focused, see what kind of reaction we do have here in the next coming hours, because there could be a consolidation and a possible recovery. It's still very soon to know, because could be the start of a capitulation. Why a start of a capitulation? Because we're basically losing the value area low from this trading range here successfully with some significant volume. Not huge, but it is, pretty big volume. So we could be dropping down aggressively in the coming hours. This is why we should be defensive. We should be analyzing the situation, all right? Yesterday, we did not provide this, of course, in YouTube, all right? This was a day trade scenario, and it happened to the T, guys, hitting that point of control, 7-8 Fibonacci, getting a bit of volatility, stop above the X point, bang, we're getting the move down. And not only that, if you would have held some of that position open, like we always suggest in the community, take profit, leave some open, because we could go lower. Absolutely crushing it here with this movement down, guys, from that analysis, from that short position with the risk management here, stop loss, boom, we absolutely exploding here with the setups. Now, I'm just hyped up, guys. I'm excited because I know we're going to do very, very well in the World Series of Trading. I mean, ranked 20 out of 460 teams last year. Come on. I mean, it's not too bad at all. So this year we're going to go, all in, guys. All in the competition. And that is when you're going to see who is, proper traders, who is actually a big team, all right, and doing the real trading, because there is a lot of YouTube channels out there that are, talking about trading and the rest of it. We have data here to provide, and we have data, right, to show the community that we are going to be here for the win, guys. Now, going here to this scenario, Bitcoin, are we going to go to lower levels? I would like to see a consolidation at this range, guys. I'm very much aware of the price going to lower levels. I am still in a short position from here, from 31,700. I have taken more profits. I'm only leaving 10% open right now because I'm still interested in longs in this zone, all right, and even lower. If we do drop to 27K, I will be closing 100% of the position that is left open, all right, from 31,700. However, these are the zones that I'm looking for consolidations. I'm in no rush. There's no real possible setups for me right now. High probability as we're just starting to drop, guys. This drop has only happened for the last few hours. Continuation down could happen. You know the deal. When you pump, you could pump like crazy for the hours ahead. This has just started. This could get very aggressive. So we're cautious, we're having responsibility with our capital, right? We're having very good risk management. If we start dancing around this zone, that is going to be a good sign. We will be ready. We'll be looking at the potential setups, all right, in the next coming hours, couple of days, if we start consolidating, because that means only one thing, that the bears have lost steam and the bulls are absorbing all of the shorts that are happening right now at the zone, meaning that they will likely get absolutely wrecked if you start shorting all the way down here. On the other side, it's too soon to know. We need to see absorption. This could still continue capitulating down, all right? This drop has only just happened. So my interesting zone for consolidations to get into the high probability trade setups, all right, is getting the consolidations at this range of $29,000 range, give or take a few $100s. That will be a good sign. Let the price action stop, get exhausted, let the bulls step in, and then we're jumping with the bulls. We do not consolidate and the bears still have a lot of steam. Next interesting zone is all the way down at 27,200. That's a 2,000 drop from current price levels. This is the area that I will be very excited. This is an area for starting to get aggressively into swing long positions, especially if not only we hit the level and get a reaction, if we start consolidating at this range, that is going to be get in aggressively into swing long positions to come and break the highs in the next coming weeks of 31,800 and go even higher, guys. That could be an epic swing long position. So still remaining patient. Of course, this level is not guaranteed to be hit. That consolidation could happen here and we could jump into some long positions. Of course, this will be provided in the Legends trading community to take those decisions, all right, at last moment to see what the price action is giving us, what we can read, all right, with what is happening, and to jump into those possible long scenarios. For the moment, remaining patient, guys. We're getting the drop. Yesterday, we had the only trading setup in the Legends trading community, which was the Gartley pattern. Sometimes it is better to be in a range because the setups are much clearer. There was a long position provided here from Sam. There was a short position provided here from me in the Legends community, the point of control and the Gartley pattern. These ranges give great trading opportunities, as you can see here. This is from yesterday's video. This is no making up. This was from yesterday. This was not from last week. This is happening daily. Looking at the scenarios, you need to pay attention on those 10-15 minute videos that are provided explaining the situation. Of course, those situations happening, as you can see. We manage our risk. We get into winning trades. We're going to absolutely crush it in the World Series of Trading, guys. Make sure to join down below. In the description, you do have the link, okay, for the Legends trading community and the World Series of Trading. There is $50 that will be given as bonus for the first people that join, all right, till the 27th of July. The early birds get $50 worth of bonus, guys. It is happening. Get your moon boots on, all right, for the trading competition, because we're going to absolutely crush it. Going back to Bitcoin, like I said, not much more to be said. You know, I'm expecting a reaction at this zone. This is a bit of a falling knife. It can be a bit aggressive to start getting into longs. If you can manage your risk, then I'm only looking for longs at this range. But I'm going to be remaining a little bit patient here to see what kind of reaction we do get at this 29K level. Very much a bouncing level. It's very, very strong resistance. We've got value area high from this trading range, as you can see right here at the 29K zone, right? Very interesting to see, you know, what kind of consolidation can be created to get into those possible long scenarios. Remaining patient. This is a falling knife still, guys. Want to see the price development in the coming hours, because this could, you know, as this pump happened, the drop could happen here during today as well, right? Jumping into the DXY, I do expect a possible bounce, whether that is here or slightly lower levels. Why? Because looking at the DXY, this is the time, this is the moment. Today's Monday. Consolidation at this range of 100, as we are having right now, is the big deal. This is the reversal moment that could happen in the coming days. I want to see this consolidation that is exactly happening at this moment get a kind of a double top scenario, start dropping, okay, in the days ahead on the DXY. This means this is providing resistance as it was strong support. We are forming the descending wedge. I'm expecting another possible drop in the next 1 to 2 weeks on the DXY, and this will trigger, of course, a possible breakout of the 31,800 yearly highs to go to 32, 34, and even $40,000 Bitcoin, guys, in the coming weeks. I know it sounds crazy. It sounds like a moon boy, but you know, of course, it's definitely an opportunity. It's definitely a possibility, sorry, that I do think is likely to happen. Of course, that will be the moment I will start getting bullish on the DXY if we were to get that drop, to get supported from the support here of this descending wedge, because this could be the end of the rally for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be dropping back down aggressively. DXY, strong recover, potentially in the coming weeks to the end of the month, all right, to end of the year, sorry. And that is the moment that, you know, crypto, Bitcoin can get really, really bearish. For the moment, we've been in an uptrend, guys, for the last few months. So we just need to go with the current trend. The trend here for the last few months is up till we do not see a massive sign of weakness. Of course, that would be breaking down $25,000. That is a clear sign of weakness, and that could mean that the price will be going back down to create some new lows, guys. For the moment, we're trending up. DXY does have some signs of a potential another move down in the coming weeks. So we just need to remain bullish, all right, till we start hitting some big resistance levels on Bitcoin after the breakout of 31,800, which is the yearly highs. That is basically it, guys. Still remaining short on Bitcoin from 31,700. Still got 10% of that position open. Been taking some epic profits all the way down here. This was a beautiful trade that, you know, swing trade scenario, already an 8% drop, okay, from the 31,700. Not shorting here at the lows, even though we could continue down. I'm just looking very carefully with very good risk management. What are the possibilities here? Consolidations to me to jump into some longs. No rush. I won't feel left out. Okay, I will be taking profit of 10% of this short position at 31,700. If we were to get that drop, it will still be pretty decent profits. But like I said, not looking for short, being very, very cautious and careful to get into the best longing opportunities, guys, with the Legends community. Still very soon to say. Expecting consolidation at this range. We do not get the consolidation at this range. I would expect lower, even sub 28k, to get to that monthly level, 618 Fibonacci, from this pivot low to the pivot high. That is my interest zone to start getting aggressively into some swing long positions, guys. Not much more to be said. We'll be updating with you guys. You know the deal. World Series of Trading is live for the registration. Competition starts in 2 weeks. Join the Legends Trading community, guys, if you want those daily updates and setups. Here's where we're going to absolutely crush it. A lot of people have joined already from the community. Very hyped up, guys. This is going to be opportunity of a lifetime. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.